So this is the house that we got in Cuba for $30 a night. And you walk in the main foyer and it's raining in the hallway, because when you look up, it goes up to another home and then straight to the sky, which is kind of cool. And then you look in here and there's one bedroom, and then on the next door down, on that door, that's our bedroom. It's sort of set up like an English home. There's a library in here and kind of a study and a sunburned Tony. And there's the bedrooms. Really, really high ceilings and high doors. And a sunburned Tiffany. Yeah, she's burned up. And you can walk through our bedroom into the bathroom and then into the kitchen. It's pretty cool though. Anyway, we have the whole place to ourselves this evening, and then that goes out to the street.